So after a week of good actually 2 weeks of good planting weather, we have a little bit of a break in the nice planting weather. We figured it'd take care of an issue that developed on us. Well, this tractor is an International 766. My dad bought it when I was probably 3, 4, so we've had it over 40 years. And the previous owner, my dad got it with about 400 hours on it. Previous owner had mounted up these 20.8 34s, not these specific tires, but they took the rims. These were 16-inch rims for 18.4 34s, and they added 2 inches to the rim and make it an 18-inch rim, and they mounted these 20.8 34s. My dad put these tires on probably 25 years ago, but this one failed on us here a couple weeks ago. It was a sidewall crack, and it worked its way through the cords. And I was driving on the road, pulling a fertilizer spreader, and all of a sudden I had chloride on the back window. So these are loaded tires. We got them with 100 gallon of calcium chloride in them, which for liquid ballast. So and like I said, these are 20.8 34s, which are an rare tire. Unfortunately, they're rare. There's, I think, 2 manufacturers, and both are outrageous in price. So we took this opportunity to upgrade. We're putting new cast centers on it, new to us. These are 38-inch cast centers. Those are 34-inch cast centers. And we're installing these 18.4 34s that we have on hand. They were on Snoopy, our 2+2 over there. We put new inners on him a couple years ago. Put new inner rims and tires. Those have 520s on it, and these are 480s. These tires will last us for a while. I don't expect to get too many years of service out of them. They're starting to crack up. I don't know how old they are already. They were on the tractor when we got it, but they are the same diameter as our 20.8 34s, and a common tire. I think we'll eventually upgrade from these 18.4s, the 480s, to these 520s that are on this tractor. Same tire. We'll put the same tire on this 520/70 R38 Mitas. We'll eventually put that on this tractor too. We like the 20.8 520 tire on this. Her job is usually to pull the packer, but with this tire issue that we've had, it was not a simple fix, and we just kind of got her home and put her on, jacked her up and blocked her up, and then the tire guy was out here the other day and pumped the fluid out. So now we're working on putting these cast centers on, and then mounting up the rims, and we'll get her back on her feet. So that's what we're doing on our rainy afternoon. It's supposed to be nice again tomorrow, so maybe we'll be back in the field, maybe not. Getting close to the end. Have a great day. So the other day we got the new wheels and tires mounted on the 766, well, the new to us wheels from a salvage yard. We got some 38-inch cast centers for it from a salvage yard, and these are a set of 18.4 38s on rims that we had from when we put 520/70 R38s on our 2+2. So they're narrower than the old tires, and they're not in the best of shape, but they'll last for a couple years. And then we'll mount some new tires on them. I think we'll probably put 18.4 38 Mitas is what we're thinking at this point. But well, we got them on tractor, and then it's hooked to its implement again. Thanks for watching.